In Japan, scientists uncovered secrets that can literally add decades to your life. Dr. Yoshinori Osumi stumbled onto something extraordinary: tiny cellular janitors working inside every cell of your body, devouring cancer cells, burning fat, and repairing aging damage. The catch? These repair systems only activate under very specific conditions, and most of us shut them down daily without realizing it. Today, I'll reveal how Japanese scientists cracked the code of cellular regeneration and how you can activate this hidden superpower starting tonight. Autophagy works like a renovation crew, tearing down damaged parts of your cells and rebuilding them stronger. But it only switches on when your body believes it's in survival mode, like during fasting or when you stop eating before you're completely full. That's exactly what Japanese centenarians have been doing for generations. They follow Hara Hachi Bu, eat until you're 80% full. By stopping before they're stuffed, they give their bodies the signal to start deep cleaning and repair. Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, who lived to 105, proved this by living it himself. His simple routine: a light breakfast, small lunch, main dinner by 6 p.m., then fasting until 10 a.m. the next day. 16 hours of repair time every single day. So how can you activate this ancient longevity code? Step 1. Practice Hara Hachi Bu. Stop eating at 80% full. Step 2. Extend your overnight fast. Start with 12 hours, stretch to 14 to 16. Step 3. Begin mornings with tea or light vegetable juice before solid food. Step 4. Make your main meal colorful. Sweet potatoes, greens, seaweed, tofu, fish, with spices like turmeric and ginger. What can you expect? Within a week, more energy and better sleep. Within a month, clearer thinking, glowing skin, improved digestion. In a few months, stronger immunity, steady energy, and a more youthful appearance. If this inspired you, type yes in the comments. Hit like if you're ready for your own longevity journey. Share this with someone who needs these secrets, and subscribe for more.